In this guide, we're going over how you can play Fall Guys with a mouse and keyboard on any Xbox platform. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, I'm currently testing this on an Xbox Series X. However, this is going to work the exact same on a One, Series S, and so on and so forth. But I plugged my USB hub into the front of my Xbox, and then I connected the USB keyboard and USB mouse. Both devices do power on, and the keyboard lights up as well as the mouse lights up, so the Xbox is obviously detecting them, and they work on the Xbox main screen. But as soon as you get inside of Fall Guys, you'll notice the mouse cursor does not appear on screen. You can move, throughout the menus using the keyboard itself. However, there's no keyboard and mouse keybind settings in the controls menu, meaning you can't customize or rebind anything. That's already a pretty big warning sign. When I jumped into an actual match, the mouse pretty much only works for camera movement. The keyboard does not function properly. WASD will not move your character. Spacebar does not jump. Some random keys trigger like random emotes for whatever reason. But overall, you cannot properly move your character, which essentially means you cannot play the game. And that is because Fall Guys will not work with a mouse and keyboard here on Xbox. Technically, yeah, it does have limited functionality. However, it's not full functionality, so it's not even really worth testing out and playing with. If you did want to do this, you could use like a Zen Matrix, which allows you to plug, one end of the Zen Matrix into your console and then the other end into your mouse and keyboard, and that'll allow you to play. However, it's not recommended because they are pretty expensive. If you guys did have any questions, though, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day, though. Peace.